Alright mga kabibes, good morning. So natay napalit ay nga ibutang nato nga rack sa atong slakyan kay gamay ra atong slakyan. So ato siyang i-install but ato sa siyang assemble, yeah. So this is what we got. Okay. So ato sang i-assemble. So at least hopefully kompleto na siya. Aha, that's good. Na siya ay instruction. Good. So that's the roof luggage frame. Yeah. Like a full, yeah, this is another set of screws maybe. Yeah. Okay. So ato sang ibutang diri para balaan na to o kompleto ba. Check na to ang gamit. Two bars. Okay, so this one. Okay. So far mga ka-vibes, na-identify na nato kini. So mauni siya ang before the wrap angle 2 pieces. Ano siya before the wrap angle 2 pieces, tapos after the wrap angle. Pero diin ang before, ang after. Okay. So dili siya dili kayo klaro, pero at least may drawing kung paano. So hopefully ma-assemble na to. Alright. Okay. So naset up na to ay hang dulong mga vibes. Amat lang. Very good dahil siya kay wala siya tarong suction. So man siya picture. So picture taga base. So isa na ito hugtong kayo. Yes. Gamay nga diferensya, dali na ito tantangon. Okay. So, wala siya. Dulang. Haha.
If you ever watched any of Bong Joon-ho's movies, you would know that the main message of all of his amazing movies is South Korea is a fucked up place. This country is literally culture, but by far the most important quote-unquote challenge they face is the horribly low birth rate they have. It is the worst in the world, and it's recently plummeted down to 0.7 births per woman.
Critical links in the E-Family Ownership Web were Samsung Construction and Trading, or CMT, and Choi Industries.
Okay. Ayan na. Mag-square na siya.
Electronics, engineering, chemicals,
Okay.
and other fields partially owned by CMT was fading
as Earth moves down to fill the voids. Now,
Alright, mga wives. So tapos.
any effects
That's it. Yeah. Okay.